We're in Montenegro today, and we have a special guest who is a realtor from Florida that's in Montenegro looking for an investment property and a part-time home for himself. And so Tim James, great guy, we had a chance to meet up with him. He's going to take us along on his real estate tour. And what areas is he seeing today, honey?
He's seeing Tivat and Kotor, specifically Dobrota.
So as a reminder, Julie and I, we're traveling with our two dogs, trying to see what it's like to live in different countries, different places, and sharing our experiences, expenses with you. We home base out of Montenegro, and if you have a home that you're searching for anywhere in the world and you want to share your video and your experience with us, feel free to email us at warrenjulietravel@gmail.com. Make sure you video in the landscape format and email us, and we'll talk with you about videoing and maybe doing a video with you about your home search. And warrenjulietravel@gmail.com. So let's go catch up with Tim.
Greetings, my name is Tim Steves, and I just got back from magnificent Montenegro. And I also had the fortunate opportunity to meet with Warren and Julie, true American pioneers in visiting and establishing a residency in that place. And I've got a few clips that are me looking for new developments, mostly in Tivat around there, and one in Kotor, I believe. But I hope you find it informative. Montenegro is a magnificent country, and it just doesn't come through the videos how magnificent it is. If you are interested in Florida at all, please let me know. I'm a realtor. I serve the Tampa Bay area. So if you're interested in the Gulf of Mexico, Sun Coast, Tampa Bay area, please let Warren or Julie know, and I'll be happy to give you expert assistance in that endeavor. Thanks, and have a great day.
All of Tim's properties that he'll be looking at on this video are on picturesque Kotor Bay. The first one is on the Kotor side of the bay, with the following two that will show up on the Tivat side of Kotor Bay. The first property is going to be in Dobrota, which is right next to Kotor and has a beautiful waterfront. There's swimming beaches, there's bicycle trails along the area, and it's pedestrian friendly for the most part. There is light car traffic. There are plenty of places to go jumping in the water and to dock your boat. It's really a very fine area of Montenegro and has great rental potential and investment potential. That's why many people are looking at homes in this particular area. So this is going to be an attractive area if Tim chooses to buy in Montenegro. This is a winning location. This first property is a couple hundred meters from the water up on the hillside. So let's go catch up with Tim at location number 1.
So there's the project. You can see, and it's the same contractor that built the one above here. And the ones here as well.
If you decide to come to Montenegro to look for properties, please shoot us an email and we'll put you in contact with our favorite realtors in the area. Again, just email us at warrenjulietravel@gmail.com and we'll be glad to connect you up.
So now we're on the second floor. This apartment is available.
The view is not bad, and I think it will stay like this because everything is already built in front.
So we would be in the main living room here, and this would be the balcony.
Yes.
Even though looking through the scaffolding, you can see the mountains, beautiful view. And then over here, windows in the main room, and then they still need to put in the walls for the bedroom, yeah?
For the bedroom, kitchen, and bathroom.
So obviously this is a work in progress. What should it look like? This is the artist rendering. So if you're interested, let us know. We'll put you in contact with that realtor. It has a nice view, good location, a lot to offer. So let's go ahead now and shoot to the other side of Kotor Bay over near Tivat and take a look at the next project that Tim has an interest in. Now, if you're going to become an expat, a nomad, or you're going to be taking a 2-day trip somewhere, make sure you go to WJn&x.com, go to our international health tab. You can look up information about travel insurance and international medical insurance, and you can run your quotes there. And I am an agent from the United States for health and life, and I would love to be your agent if you're doing those types of long-term medical products. Some, it's an affiliate program, others I would be your agent, but we would appreciate your consideration. Again, WJn&x.com, and go to the International Health tab to run your quotes. One of Tivat's claims to fame is the Kotor Montenegro Yacht Club, which has the capacity to hold some of the largest yachts in the world, some as large as football fields. The yacht club is the pride and joy of the country of Montenegro. This is a multi-billion-dollar yacht club, and it's been compared to the next Monaco. It's got nice restaurants, as well as some that are not that costly. The waterfront is open to the public to go strolling and to just enjoy the ambiance. There's high-end shopping. This is an area that is developing all around it, and if you're investing in this area, odds are your prices of your property will be going up in the future. There is money from all over the world coming into this yacht club. There is no dominant source or one country that is the main clientele for Montenegro tourism. 11-minute walk away is Tivat Gardens, with the prices starting at 99,000 euros for approximately 21 square meters or 226 square feet. It's slated to be finished in early 2025.
Hi, we are now in Tivat at Tivat Gardens, new development, 6 buildings. And this apartment is a 1-bedroom. It's about 50 square meters. And this will be completed in March of 2025. And the cool thing about these 6 buildings is I'm told that they're completing them all at once so that none of the buyers have to live with construction near them. It's very beneficial for us. Now, you can see this view here. Let me zoom in a little bit. That is right there, Kotor Montenegro, with the black pearl or black something. It's just an incredibly huge sailboat. So this view is quite impressive. And this would be another access from where the bedroom would be, which is the bedroom window that I was looking through. And then over here, we've got the balcony. Not a bad size for a 1-bedroom apartment. This is being offered for 214,000 euros. And they do have terms. You save 10% though by paying it all at once. What is this? It's an end unit, but so we've got a studio around, but it's an end unit. So you come in the door to the studio, you've got a storage closet, bathroom, the kitchen here. So you've got a big window to the side. There'll be a window here.
Yes.
Yeah. And then it is a studio, so we don't have a closed-off bedroom. But we're on the 3rd floor of Building 6 here at Tivat Gardens. And the view is just outstanding from the terrace here. So, this is being offered for 178,000 euros.
As I mentioned previously, the yacht club has a lot going on. There's cafes and restaurants, so when it's sunny out, you get a lot of people coming out to enjoy that cafe culture. And there's a great park, city park here in Tivat, a place to enjoy some tranquility, sit underneath the shade of the trees, and it's easily walkable from these Tivat locations. So the next location we're going to is a place called Kava, another new construction. Kava starts out at 97,200 euros for a 27 square meter studio apartment. Here's some artist renderings of what the final product should look like. As far as walkability, it's still walkable to the yacht club. It's a little bit further away and a 34-minute stroll to get there, mostly flat.
We are still in Tivat, but we're in Kava section of Tivat, which is a little bit further away from Kotor Montenegro, a little bit south of there. And this project is a 3-story building. 1, 2, 3. And you can see we can't get in it because of the construction at this stage. But you can imagine the views, especially from the 2nd and 3rd floor, will be fantastic. So you're looking at a 1-bedroom on the 1st floor, 40 square meters, right here. It's already bricked in. That would be approximately $172,000. And then the 2nd floor, 68 square meters, much larger. That's more like 227,000 euros. I meant to say euros. Habit of an American to say dollars. And then the 3rd floor, it goes up from there, but tremendous views as well. Okay, so now we are still in Tivat, Tivat. And this is, let's see, let's turn it around here. Check this out, quite a view from the terrace. This project will be done, this building will be done in early next year, 2025. And this particular property on the 2nd floor, this unit, 1-bedroom, being offered for 143,000 euros. So you can see they've got 4-season glass here, or what we call impact glass in the States, providing electricity and water outside as well. You can see they've got these storm protection shades included, so I anticipate some very nice finishes here.
So each room has a floor heating, independent floor heating, living area, bathroom, and
floor heating.
Yes, and
very nice.
And AC in both rooms.
And AC.
Yeah.
Very nice. And we've got the bathroom. It's a very good sized bathroom. It's going to be a big shower and 1 bedroom. So that's this offering. Very nice indeed. Okay, we are in the same development here, but instead of building A, we're in building B. So you go in the entrance. This is a 2-bedroom on the 3rd floor. It's a big expansive foyer, and then to the right, see heating in the floors as well. Very nice feature. And you've got the master bedroom. Not really a view out of, oh, there is quite a view out of the master bedroom, even. A little blocked, but still. And then the master bath with some natural light in the window. Always love that in the bathroom. And then a 2nd bedroom. So this is like 68 square meters. And let's go to the main living room, which should be your kitchen and the main living room. And this is the pièce de résistance. Look at this view. Can't be obstructed. Everything in front of it's already new. How about that? And this is available for 227,000 euros. In Tivat.
We hope that you enjoyed the journey today with Tim as he searched for his place here in Montenegro. And as a reminder, we're traveling with our two dogs, trying to see what it's like to live in different countries, different places. Don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe, and until next time, have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.
Ciao.